Hi everyone, my name is Michelle White, and today in this sort of walkthrough, we're going to talk about the Reach Lite app. Now the Reach Lite app can run on multiple devices. Today we're really going to focus on the Amazon Fire Stick. Now we have tested different versions, of course. The one that we recommend is the 4K version. Mainly the reason why we recommend it is because, as you guys can currently see, this is our corporate layout. The overall performance is just a lot better. Obviously the color really pops as well. We just really found that this particular version is really the best route. So make sure you sort of purchase that. But again, in this sort of walkthrough, we're just going to kind of talk about how you set this up, and then just sort of how the layout works, and just some cool tricks and tips that you might need to know. So obviously the first thing we're going to start off with is, once you do get your Fire Stick up and running, you do want to download the Reach app. Once you download the app, the very first page you're going to see, which you're currently looking at right now, is the setup state, or the setup page. As you can see, it's very easy, steps 1, 2, and 3. The main thing, or the main thing to point out here, you guys, is that there's an ID number that is given on this setup page. Now, this ID number needs to go into the player application. Just again, to kind of walk through these steps so you understand. The first thing we would do as Reach employees is we'll create the player for you. Once you download the app, just give us a call with that ID number and we'll put that in the player tab. From there, you guys will make sure that you're trained into the CMS. That way you can update content. If you guys want to sort of create your own layout, you can go ahead and do that using our layout editor. Otherwise, we can customize all this for you as well. A couple of things just to kind of keep in mind is that the Reach Lite app, when it comes to sort of videos, adding your own videos into the, the app itself, the videos don't really run very well, but you can run YouTube clips. Now, YouTube clips need to go full screen. Again, if we're going to put it in this particular area or in this zone, you will have some issues. However, if you have it run full screen, meaning that it's taking over the whole screen, you won't have any issues at all. Of course, if you guys have questions like that, you can talk to anybody at Reach and we can, kind of deep dive and show you how to accomplish that. A couple things too, you guys, in our dashboard. A couple things that you can do is you can refresh the content. And you can get a live screenshot. So again, if someone that's not close to you has the Fire Stick, and you're like, oh, what's running on the screen? Of course, you can grab a screenshot within the dashboard. Now, one thing that should say different between our digital signage and sort of our app is that you can't reboot it. I know Fire Sticks within itself, within the settings here, if I kind of select it, they do have a reboot option within here. So, if you guys really want that, it's under preference. You can sort of, play around with that, as you can see right here. Of course, you can have landscape, you can have vertical. There's really a lot of different options here. Once I go under device, this ID number, that was that ID number that was kind of given into the beginning of the setup. A couple other things too, network health, of course, if it's online or offline, and then just sort of the version and obviously when this app was created. So that is sort of the overview of the Fire Stick. If you guys have any questions, you kind of want to learn more, you want to play around with it, definitely give us a call. Otherwise, yeah, you guys, hope you have a great day. Thank you.